Hello and welcome to today's video on Mumbai, a case study of a city in the LIC. In this video, we'll be covering the growth and importance of Mumbai, its opportunities and challenges, and improving quality of life in the Dharavi slum. Mumbai is located in the Maharashtra state of India. It's on the west coast of the country and by the Arabian Sea. As of the 2011 census, Mumbai's population was at 18.41 million. Mumbai is important locally, regionally, nationally and internationally. Its geographic location is important because it's on a major shipping route through the Mediterranean Sea, which makes it accessible for trade. Its transport is also important as it has a major airport which lands 40% of India's flights, and it provides connection to other areas of India with railway and road links. It has a large financial and industrial area which generates 6% of India's GDP, 40% of foreign trade, and 25% of industrial production. Mumbai is home to a large number of financial institutions like Bombay Stock Exchange and the Reserve Bank of India. The city also has the Bollywood industry, which makes it a centre of culture and entertainment. There are two main reasons why Mumbai has grown rapidly. The first is migration. Lots of people are migrating to Mumbai from poor rural areas because of machinery taking over farms, which has forced people out of work and forced them to set up small-scale farms which are vulnerable to bad harvests and poor weather. As a consequence, many farmers are forced to sell up to large farm owners. However, in Mumbai there are many job opportunities in service and manufacturing industries which pay higher wages. There are also better healthcare facilities, more entertainment facilities, and better education. The second reason is natural increase. The population of Mumbai is also increasing rapidly due to natural increase, as there are much higher birth rates than death rates due to extremely high births. Unfortunately, for many migrants, the living conditions turn out to be worse in the slum areas of the city. Mumbai is a city which presents many different opportunities and challenges. Social opportunities are chances for people to improve their quality of life, for instance, access to education and healthcare. One example of a social opportunity in Mumbai is healthcare. People in Mumbai have an easier access to hospitals and doctors than in rural areas and even the poorest. There is also a much better access to schools in Mumbai rather than rural areas in India which lack education facilities. The quality of education received in Mumbai tends to also be better compared to rural areas. Water supply is another example of a social opportunity. In the Dharavi slum, there are water pipes which give residents access to clean water and prevents them from getting diseases like cholera. These pipes also provide a washing area for residents, which is largely unavailable in rural India. In Mumbai, people get to live with the benefits of energy and electricity, unlike many rural areas of India which still have no electricity. Mumbai also provides economic opportunities, which are chances to improve their standard of living through employment. Many jobs in Mumbai are in the formal economy, which means the jobs are officially registered. The workers pay tax and receive regular wages. These jobs are commonly working in manufacturing and industry. Many jobs are also found in the informal economy, which are unofficial jobs which skip paying taxes and usually involve cash in hand. These jobs include rag picking, recycling waste and diverting electricity cables. Many people in the Dharavi slum set up their own businesses where they sell items on the street. Unfortunately, many cities in low-income countries like Mumbai are also presented with many challenges. An example of a social challenge is poor sanitation. This is a major challenge because residents of the Dharavi slum have to go to the toilet in the streets, and there is only one toilet between 400 people. There is also a limited access to clean water within the slum, as there are only very few water pipes, and the supply is only switched on for 2 hours a day. Poor health is another challenge affecting the slums, as life expectancies are low in the slum due to poor conditions, poor water quality, diseases, and dangerous jobs. Economic challenges are another major problem in the slums. There are high rates of unemployment as many migrants from rural areas are forced to set up informal businesses on the streets of Dharavi. There is also very poor work quality, as many people have jobs like sifting through rubbish tips for valuable waste. They have to work in hot, dirty and appalling conditions on only £1 a day. Environmental challenges are having a negative impact on Mumbai and the slums. Water pollution is caused by toxic chemicals in water, which are contributing to an increase in waterborne diseases. 77% of households have polluted water. Growth in industry and increasing car numbers are contributing towards air pollution, which is hazardous to the health of Mumbai's residents. 7,500 metric tons of waste is produced every day in Mumbai due to no comprehensive city-based system of collection. Despite the introduction of a recycling zone, waste still remains a major problem in Mumbai and especially in slum areas. 22 million registered vehicles in Mumbai contribute towards noise, air pollution and traffic jams. There are many reasons why the authorities want to improve quality of life in the Dharavi slum. One reason is that the land is estimated to be worth $10 billion. It's near the CBD, which makes it a good location. The flat higher ground makes it easier to build on, and it's nearby good transport links and nearby the airport and railway. One way the authorities are trying to improve quality of life in the Dharavi slum is through the Vision Mumbai project. It aims to improve the city by targeting slum areas. The aim is to reduce slum populations by 10 to 12%, build 1.1 million low-cost homes, and improve general safety, education, healthcare, air quality, and sanitation across the city. The council have been demolishing slum areas and replacing them with better quality tower blocks to improve quality of life and reduce poverty for local residents. The Dharavi redevelopment would have many positive impacts, including clean water piped to every home to improve water sanitation. There are sewage pipes which take away waste to reduce the spread of diseases. Organised wide roads allow the delivery of organised waste management services. Tower blocks are built away from industrial areas to keep residents away from pollution and hazardous materials. Homes will have addresses so residents will be registered by city authorities, which will allow them to collect more taxes and will give more opportunities for people to enter formal employment. Unfortunately, the Dharavi development will also have negative impacts. Accommodation is very small and causes cramped conditions. People have to commute to work as a result of the tower blocks being further away from industrial areas. The slum had a key sense of community, which seems to be lost with these new high-rise homes. Residents will have to pay taxes, which will affect the poor residents' income. Jobs will be lost sorting rubbish due to waste management services. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe for more AQA GCSE Geography videos.